hi everyone, this is Dana Cray the Heart, and I'm back with hopefully the last Destash that I have. It's 3 lots. They are US only, PayPal only, first come, first serve, and all of that. Let's get going. I might be able to fit everything into one box, so I could give you maybe a discount if you buy all 3 of the lots. All right, let me go ahead and get started. I'm out of breath. This is going to be lot number 1. It's a stamp lot, and I think everything in this lot's brand new. Like, I never used it. I just bought 2 of them, and so I want to go ahead and have a new home. So this one is $45 shipped. Everything in it's brand new. It's a steal in my opinion. So you got this one, which is Concord and 9th. It is called Darling Petals Turnabout. This one right here, which is the Paper Smooches Be Mine. This is the one that I just did a video on. I think I made a card I shared on here. I have this Hello Sweetums Sparkle Brights. They're no longer in business, but this is just the cutest stamp set. I have 2 of them. This one, which is Avery L. It is RAR. I just have 2 of those. This one, which is the CC Designs Clowns plus the die and Text Me Anya. I also have the Call Me Ian. I have this little picket fence owl, and I have this mini turnabout. This is called Hugs and Kisses. I also have the Greening Farm, this elf, this mermaid, and then this little wedding one. Okay, so like I said, the scale's $45 shipped. Next, I have this one up, but I'm going to lower the price to $50. And this is the lowest I'm going to go on this. Otherwise, I'll just keep it, even if it's just for the dies. So I have Fiesta, and I have the Fight Like a Girl. There's the Pizza My Heart, which is brand new. And this one that has the dies as well. All right, so that one's $50. Actually, you know what? I don't know if I can sell it for $50. Yeah, sell it for $50. That's cool on that one. After that, I'll just keep them because I pay $48. I pay almost $50 for each one of those. So basically, it's like you're getting 3 of them for free. Maybe no one likes La La Land. It could be. All right, so this one is one that I have listed. It's still going to be $60 shipped. I added some more stuff to it, so I think it's a steal. Also, maybe everybody has all this stuff. So let's show you what's in here again. Trying to get everything out. Okay, so you're gonna get this Brenda Walton elephant die. You're gonna get this die, this one, and then these 2 stamps. You're going to get this all included, along with this one. A lot of these have never been used, brand new. I also have the brand new Small Die of the Month by Spellbinders. I have this Halloween small die. I have this Whimsies. This thing alone was like $20-something. This tea die. This is a stamp and embossing folder. I have this scissors. Try to get everything in here the way that it was, which I'm failing. And these stamps right here, along with the bubble corners from Martha Stewart. Okay, so that's $60 shipped. Those three are available. If somebody comes along and buys all three of them, let me see how much discount I can give. I can give $10 off on a discount. So if you buy all three, I will give $10 off. So if you're interested in that, then be sure to email me at scoop71@yahoo.com, and I will give you $10 off if you buy all three of them. Okay? Thank you for watching. This is Cindy Cranthart.